What's up, folks? It's Peter here from CompileSwift.com, and this is a video in response to a question that I had on one of my previous videos. I'll put a link in the description below, asking about changing the contents of, customizing the About screen on a Mac app. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run this here. This is a brand new app that I created in Xcode, and so we've got nothing on the window, but what we're talking about here is if I go up to the menu and I choose About, you can see that we get this really boring kind of standard, built-in About screen. And they were asking about customizing this. So thanks to talking with some friends of mine and a little bit of research, and I found a way to do this with their help, and so credit to them for recommending these techniques. One of these is very straightforward. I'm going to show you that one now. I did not know about it at all. And it's one of those where you sort of bang your head, you're like, how did I not know this? So yeah, we're gonna customize this screen here. So I'm gonna stop this. Now I've got a storyboard version of an app here. This particular technique works with SwiftUI as well. I've got text edit open here, and I'm just gonna put some contents in here. So I'm gonna say, hello, this is my custom About screen text, and I'm also gonna put a link. So I'll just put a link to my website here. We'll just put peterwitham.com, and we're going to make this a live link as well, because why not? We can do that, right? So we're going to go in here, we will make this a link, and there it is, right? I'm now just going to go up and save this. So we're going to save it as a rich text file on the desktop. We're going to call it credits. That's an important part there, credits and rich text document, and save it. Now on the surface it's like, oh, okay, it's just a rich text document, but because it's called credits, turns out what you can do is, let me just move it over here. If I now add this file to the project, so I'm just going to drag and drop it into the app here, right? I'm just going to put it right in there like that. I'm going to have it copy the items over and finish. That's it, right? So we've got this rich text file here that I've created, and we'll go back to the storyboard there. And now I'm just going to run this again. All right, there it is. We're going to go up to the About and go About again. Look at that. It just works. Incredible, right? Shout out to CocoType. You should check out his live streams. And he pointed this out to me. I did not know about this. It works with SwiftUI as well. Beautifully simple. Well done. Thank you, CocoType. So, and because this is a link, right, we can also click on this, and it's going to pull up the website and open up the link as well, right? I'll bring the browser over here just to prove it. See, there it is, right? Went ahead and did that. So that's it. That's technique number one. That works with the SwiftUI app as well. Okay, technique number two is the most customizable way to do this. And that involves creating an extra storyboard here so that you can present that storyboard instead of the standard About screen. So this is very straightforward. This is something that should be familiar to you if you've been working with storyboards at all, and certainly, we're doing nothing new here. So I'm going to create a new storyboard. And we're going to put in here a view controller. So I need a controller. Just going to drag that on there like so. And this is going to be our About view controller. So I'm going to change the title to About here, just so we can recognize it easily down here. And then I'm going to add a couple of items to this. So we'll add some text just so we can see what's going on. We'll just put a label. I'm not going to do anything with these. I just want to put them in here. And a button, so that if you want to dismiss this or do whatever you want. I just want to show you, basically, you can have whatever custom content you want in here, because it's just a normal everyday view. Now, what we're going to do is use a segue, right, to prepare for segue. So I'm going to click on the menu here. I'm going to right click or control click on the About example menu, just drag over here and let go and choose Action Segue Show. That's it. Let's run this. So we've got our app here, and I'm now going to go up to the menu again and just go About example. There we go. Click on it here. So now you can see that we've got this window with the buttons instead of the standard, one that we've seen before, the non-customized version. And you would set these up to do whatever you want them to do. Obviously, I've not configured anything here, but anything you can put in this board will make this work as an About screen for you. That's it. That's the two techniques. Hope that answers the question from the viewer. Thank you. It was a great question. And let me know if this solves it for you.